Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. Today's a great day, guys. Got something very special for y'all. Something that I've been waiting on for a little while. It's a change. It's a new opportunity. It's definitely warranties. Let's say that. Right now, I got something that's been in the works for a while. But starting today, May 1st, we back in business, baby. Let me show y'all what I got.
What's up, Lily Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
So what we have here is a brand new 2020 Freightliner Cascadia. Straight off the boat, as some people like to say. I don't know if it's literally off the boat. I don't know if it came by plane. I don't know if somebody drove it here. But we got our brand new 2020 Freightliner Cascadia. Let's look under the hood. We done already did a walk through the whole entire truck. Y'all seen what it looked like from the top of the sky to the ground. Now we about to see what it looked like. Beautiful, man. Everything is brand new. So that means that we have warranties. We have warranties, guys. We have warranties. So now that we've seen what it looked like from the outside of the truck, all the way around, from the top of the sky to the bottom of the ground, then we got it up under the engine, seeing what that looked like on both sides of it. We about to see what's behind the door. Rolly gang, as I was going to, you know in the last clip I just said that we about to see how it look on the inside, but doors are locked. You know, normally the doors are locked. Cool, it's a truck. They don't keep the keys out here. You know what I'm saying? Go get a key, come back, open the door. But the keys are stuck. Well, they're not stuck, but whoever detailed this truck out last, they locked the door somehow and left the key in the ignition. Let's see if y'all can see it from up here. Oh, climb up. It's right down there somewhere. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, let's see. I can't really see from my end, but if y'all can, the key is in the ignition down there, and somebody left it in there. Now we gotta get a key to open the door to get the key out the ignition. Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to the inside tour of the Freightliner Cascadia 2020 automatic. Yeah, let's get it here. Let's see what they got to offer. Here we go. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, this new. I ain't never did this. I'm trying to figure out how to hit the raise all this stuff up. I don't know how to do it. So, trying to figure it out, y'all. What is this? I'm sitting here making a YouTube video. I don't know how to let the thing up, you know what I'm saying? But I guess this is Freightliner Cascadia 2020 Premium Edition with the little tables and chairs in the back, bunk lay down, top bunk let down. It's a ladder. You got a nice enough refrigerator in here. It's automatic. So you know what? I'm gonna make a whole nother video. See, just got an idea. I'm gonna make a whole nother video of how to let this stuff up and down, just for people who get this type of truck, don't know how to do it, and don't want to read the owner's manual to do it. That's how we gonna do it. But just want to say, man, are we right here? I'm down to 309 pounds. This video is not supposed to be about this, but you know, it's been a minute since I made a video. But I'm down to 309 pounds, and guess what? We almost to 300. We almost to 299. We almost under 300. So thank y'all for tuning in. This is the Freightliner Cascadia 2020. It's time to make some memories, y'all. Time to make some money, make some memories in this